Okay, in the video that we're going to teach you today is how to transfer design to another product in the Zazzle store. Okay, this should work on most all Zazzle stores. Right now we're in my Zazzle store. It is going to work in my Zazzle store. You found the image that you like. You like this image, Winter Wonderland in Crescent View, Colorado. But you're looking for a keychain, and I didn't put it on a keychain. So what you can do is just click on one of the other images, other products, and go like that. We click that product. Now the product is there. Now we want to go ahead and scroll down, and we want to transfer design to a product. Okay. At this point, you can choose to view all the products in Zazzle, or the first thing I would do is scroll through the ones that they put it on first. Let's see if we can see a key ring there for you. Okay, there's an acrylic keychain. You like that. So you're going to click that. Give it a minute. It's going to transfer the image over onto the keychain. There we go. Okay, at this point you do have a few other choices that you can make. You can change the shape to a rectangle, a circle. You can change it from single-sided to double-sided. We'll leave it as a single-sided right now. Also, you can edit that design. So if you want to add some text on top of the design, maybe you want to put Crescent View, Colorado on there, you can go to edit and add the text, put a text box in there. I put that information in a previous video on editing.